Argentina, we love sweet and desserts, especially in the shape of alfajores, little stuffed cookies, like a cookie sandwich, or the Argentinian macaroon. Today, I'm making one super special, flaky and crumbly, almost like a shortbread. I like adding the zest of citruses, lemon, orange, even lime, vanilla. I could have used the pod, the fresh vanilla, but the essence was just as fine, and my personal touch, a dash of brandy. And to put it all together, eggs. I'm only using the yolk. With the use of half a shell, I just pick up the yellows. I'm ready to blitz. Now, it's time for the dry ingredients. Like any dough, I'm gonna use flour. The baking powder gives it a nice lift, and the baking soda adds air. We call this alfajores de maicena. Maicena is cornstarch in Argentina. The cornstarch is gonna give it a completely unique crumbly texture. Now, this is perfect. I don't want it to come all together. I want it crumbly. I want to put it together myself. And I'm gonna do exactly what the cookie pros do. Roll it in a log. Now, this will allow me to know exactly the shape that I want on the cookie. I use the wrap to help me put it together, a nice tight on the side, and then I just roll it. Literally, just roll it on the table. And now what I have is a perfect and even cookie dough roll that I'm gonna put in the fridge to get some rest. Now it's all rested up. And when it rested, it actually got a little harder, which is gonna make it a lot easier to cut. Now, a lot of times making cookies is the whole ordeal. Filling the kitchen with flour, rolling pins, cookie cutter, what shape. With the help of my body film wrap and my knife, I get perfectly shaped coins every time. I decide on the thickness, and I have the perfect cookie ready to bake. Now, I had to let the cookies cool down. Not an easy task. But I want to make sandwiches with it. I want to make alfajores. And for a sandwich, I need a filling. Best filling I can think of from an Argentinian tradition, it's dulce de leche. Dulce de leche basically means sweet made out of milk. It's a milk jam that you can find store-bought or even easily make at home. I want to use lots of it. And use the second cookie to finish the sandwich. Now, I press the cookie to allow some of the dulce de leche to go out. And then, with the same spatula or even a knife, I just go around the border to make sure it's completely covered in dulce de leche. The dulce de leche will not only work as a stuffing, but also as glue. Toasted, sweet coconut flakes. You have yourself a traditional Argentinian treat. I might as well have pigtails right now and feel like I'm 5-year-old and be home at my mom's house watching TV after school. This, you have to try it. They're gonna be the best cookies you ever had.